In manufacturing, risk is often invisible at first. A tiny pore, a drifting dimension, a weak coating edge, a process that looks stable until it is not. For DCTC 2026, Sunrise Metal is upgrading the system behind every part. For medical precision, Clara makes the process more controlled. For harsh marine environments, Aqua builds reliability from inside to outside. For robotics, Robo reduces weight, improves precision, and strengthens fatigue resistance. For commercial vehicles, Commercial Drive connects capacity with long-term production control. More data, more visibility, more controlled capacity. From casting and machining to coating, inspection, and full batch traceability. And before the first mold is built, Casta brings engineering decisions earlier. This is DCTC 2026, the next generation manufacturing system from Sunrise Metal. Now, please welcome Gilbert Chen, CEO of Sunrise Metal.